Alright, so you want to create an online digital product that you can sell. You've got the idea, you have the plan, you spend hours writing and producing it, then you feel excited to finally launch the product, but then it flops. All that hard work goes to waste. And I know how frustrating that can be. After trying and buying myself dozens of digital products, I know what makes them fail and what makes them succeed. Because I've worked as well with clients that sell high ticket digital products and I've helped them succeed. So in this video, I'll share with you 5 mistakes that creators make when creating digital products, and I'll show you how to fix them. Let's go. Mistake number 1 is focusing on yourself and not the users. Let me tell you something. People know if a product is just made for the creator's benefit. Let me give you an example of the French leader Napoleon Bonaparte, who led the Revolution Française in the 19th century to bring his country up and his people. He had a really great idea and a great plan, but then what happened? He started conquering and he started winning battles and his ego and own pride, his own interest, he just wanted to keep winning. He wanted to keep conquering countries that he didn't really need to. So what happened at the end of the day? Because of his own interest, he forgot about his people. And then his people turned on him and he just ended up in the worst situation possible. And this is might happen to you if you just focus on yourself and you don't focus on helping your customers. Let's say you have your own product, your idea, you market it super well, you get a lot of people in, but then you forget about them. Okay, they're in, I don't care about them, you don't listen to the feedback or nothing. And then what happens? Your reputation is just gonna drop because they will tell other people to not join your course because it's trash. So please listen to your users, engage with your users, get feedback and try to improve your product every time. So serve them and don't serve yourself. That's it. Number 2 is bad market research and poor marketing. Let's say you have a product, you release it and no one buys it. And why? Like, why does no one buy? Because you didn't know what your audience wanted. You thought that your audience will want this, but in reality they want the other thing. How do you fix that? Well, you have to first start making research. Ask your audience what they actually want. Don't assume. Forget about assuming that, oh, maybe my audience wants this because they watch this type of videos. No. Make sure to ask them, engage, create a small community where you can get questions, get into calls and see what are their actual pain points. And then you can market there. Mistake number 3 is spreading your focus too thin. Let's say you are in the self-improvement niche and then you create a product and your product has workout, psychology, spirituality, like everything. I don't know, just, everything. So when you have the product and the course, when you're marketing it and you have many problems that you are trying to solve, people will be confused and they will end up not buying at all because they're like, what is exactly the focus? What's the exact problem that he's gonna solve? So to avoid this, what you have to do is to have one focus, one problem that you want to solve, one problem to one specific person. So let's say, for example, you help 20 years old to get physically in shape in 19 days, for example. So that's super focused. So you'll make more money from there. So, but if you're trying to do multiple things, of course, it's gonna be a mess. So try to focus, be narrow, and then you make more money. Number 4 is big promises and poor delivery. This is a big mistake that many people do. You start off with big promises in your marketing that they will get to this specific point by this specific time with bold claims, and what happens? The viewers, those who bought, will be disappointed. They will leave bad reviews. Your reputation is gonna be like this, and this is the same thing as focusing on yourself. You're making big promises because you want to make money quick, and no one will trust you anymore, and you just fall off, bro. You fall off. So what you should be doing is just make the promises that you know you can deliver. It's better to under promise and over deliver than over promise and under deliver. Keep that in mind. Mistake number 5, weak sales pages and copy. this thing, man. A lot of people are overlooking the sales page. They just take a template and just do some random copy from ChatGPT without even looking at it or without even revising it and thinking they will make money. But people don't understand that the sales page is the core of your product. So if your sales page sucks, if your VSL sucks, if the copy sucks, no one will buy. Few people will buy. The people that like you a lot will buy, but not those people that you need to nurture. And the fix is to just spend more time on the sales page. Try to make it custom. Try to make it stand out from the competitors. Make a really great VSL. Make the copy be great again. So don't forget about this, because people overlook this, and the sales page, like I said, is the heart of the product. So be careful and take care of your sales pages. Anyways, if you want to know how to create a landing page or sales page, make sure to check out this video. Let's go.